I'll be getting all the way up there and making it on one side.
So this is a American Jenbach air compressor we just picked up.
Alright, go up.
It's got a 2-cylinder diesel engine.
That'll work. You should be good enough.
So it's been sitting about 10 years, so we're putting a battery in it right now, see if we can crank it.
And that positive with me.
Yeah.
It's on.
It's on. It's just
They had to change the cable ends.
Let me see if this is tight.
You got it tight?
Yeah, try and start it.
It's tight enough to make it start.
See what happens.
Because mine was loose.
Watch your hands.
Alright, I'm good. Let me go to jump box.
I don't think you got cables tied on.
Alright, good.
What size is it? Just give it a try.
Now hold up.
You get it?
I'm tightening them right now.
No, the other one. That one's plenty tight. The other one's the bad one.
This one was the worst. The other one is, yeah, it needs to be tight.
Get a 13. Here, let me grab it. Here, push it. Here, watch out. Watch out. Right, that's good. Let me throw the drop box on.
What time is it?
I don't have my car to clock.
12:35.
Do you have to leave for work? What time you gotta leave?
I'll leave here at like 3.
And what time is
Let
it?
me put the battery up.
You got cables on now?
Yeah, let me throw this jump box on you so that you don't kill it too fast. Alright, Tristan, let's go. What are the times? Here, hold the jump box up. Alright. As long as it's touching it before.
Alright, try it.
Give me a hammer.
You want a sledge?
No.
Walking? Because it's falling. Why'd you do that?
The battery might not even be good.
This ain't a good actual.
Well, it's not good after we dropped it.
Wiggle the cables on it before you shut it up there. We ain't got shit.
That's good. Yeah, because you took
Oh, I bet you.
We'll just plug it up. No battery's good. You
it
must.
out of the skid steer because it died.
Yeah,
Alright, that's another one.
that's fine. We'll just plug it up.
No.
It
Yeah, Preston hooked his little Dodge up to that fucking truck.
Snap it.
Snap his head.
The red
On
one.
the red dump truck you bought yesterday? The Mack.
He's trying to tug it out of the
Front
hole.
tire was locked up.
Pull it up.
I mean, you gotta think it was a pond.
There was a pond of water under it, and it was like mud. The front tire was locked up and it was sliding.
So they could drive.
What you doing there, Hunter?
I'm just move that battery.
Alright.
You don't mess with the old man's breath.
What you waiting on? Get the other battery.
I don't know. He's probably about to kill Preston. To be honest.
Yes, I had to hook the old Ford up. I told Preston you can't Ford me back up to it.
He said,
He's like, just hook it up.
He said all he's gonna do is spin. He's not gonna pull him out. I was like, you want to bet?
Hey, Tristan didn't think it was coming.
I didn't think it was going to.
I knew it was gonna do it.
I told him, I said he'll find a way.
Come on,
me.
Noah. Over in. Keep going.
Nobody believed in the F-450.
Keep going. Keep
Hello?
going.
We're
gonna Keep phone going. Oh, exactly. Come on, come on. Come on. No, keep
Motor
going.
wasn't locked down, but it was down, just stuck.
Hey, why put this timer on? Stop, stop.
Hurry up, Simple.
Get the impact.
Tighten it while you're at it. Here, just.
That battery got jacked up.
Get the amper. You know, it's,
Oh, that was funny.
Push that
what's the
strap down.
Jenbach.
You in your hat, Jason. You got big boss
American
all over.
Jenbach cord.
You got big. Where's the camera?
That's an old.
He's got it.
Let me see it. Hey, tell me. Y'all could do this. You just ordered this home. Nobody's used it yet. I want to use it.
Back it up. Shows you that thing. Yeah.
Jerry terminal, bro.
It wouldn't. It didn't even slip out.
It slipped out.
The whole thing broke, Tristan.
The whole thing.
Let me see it.
It's brand new.
Jerry. You got that terminal?
Yeah, we got actual.
Brand new terminal.
That's the brand new one.
Sorry.
It's alright.
Broke
Get that one right there.
Well, here.
Alright, so we had to change the cables again. We nailed the first ones. So we're gonna try and crank this up. We cleaned all the grounds. Cables were getting hot. Everything should be good now. Well, she starts. And it builds a lot of iron. I guess we're gonna pull this out and get it cleaned up now. Alright, so we got the air compressor all cleaned up. There's a little pressure washing. Cleaned up pretty good. Someone had done painted all the blue once and it's flaking off. Motor cleaned up pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the sandblaster out. I'm gonna blast all the blue paint real quick. Not take it down the bare metal, but just get the flaking paint off. And then probably just hand sand the yellow real quick. And we're gonna go ahead and throw another coat of paint on it.
Really?
Most likely.
Where's your wire? Well, up here.
Video. Kind of light way.
Alright, so this piece turned out pretty good. It's nice and dry. Hunter is taping up the fenders. Right?
Yep.
And then I cleaned this up and blasted it this morning. And just shot it in that smoke gray color we painted the dump truck. We're gonna cut that jack off later and change it out. Then we gotta clean the wheels up and black them out. Turned out pretty nice. Well, there she is, all completed. This has been a fun little Sunday project. Turned out